Hi, where are we today?
We are at block 107 on Tokyo to try the Bah Kut Teh.
It says 108.
Oh, 107!
No, but the number is 108.
Yeah, no,
Okay, I'm just kidding.
Then we are looking at Bah Kut Teh. We ordered Bah Kut Teh, small intestine, tauki, and some miswa. So yeah, we've been in this place more than once already. Previously it was all cooking. So we're gonna give this place a try again.
Yeah, let's eat Bah Kut.
Alright, enjoy our food later. How's this overall?
The food is pretty good.
Ah.
We prefer the herbal Bah Kut Teh over like those peppery ones.
Yeah.
The soup,
Yeah.
I think that's like the best lah. This one is like has a lot of ingredients inside and it fills our soul on a rainy day. The dark sauce, maybe you can request for the non-chili version because it's really spicy.
Yeah. Okay lah. Overall, decent. I would like this. I would like to come here again.
Yes.
Much later.
What are you doing?
Setting up the tripod. So the whole plan was to go to Marina Garden by the Bay East to film the fireworks, but it was closed. So now we are here in front of Marina Bay to take the fireworks shot later.
Okay. Hey, so now we are just going to eat some snacks while we wait for the fireworks.
We have those over here, spicy nacho flavor. Yeah, and then after that we'll dip it with our homemade guacamole sauce.
Yeah.
Let us know if you want us if you want to know the recipe for this. Yeah.
How do you rate your firework photos today?
We have a 4 out of 10
Why?
because it's the first time. And we need to find a better location next time. I heard the one at opposite Fullerton is the best, near Esplanade.
Okay.
So next time we're going there. Lesson learned, I think learn how to focus properly and then learn how to time it properly. Overall, I think it's a good experience.
Yeah.
Till next time, we're going at Fullerton area.
Yeah. So now it's time to head home.
Stay home.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye bye.